How to remove multiple accounts on Facebook. First, go to Facebook and log into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your homepage. Look at the top right corner where your profile picture is. Click on your profile picture. A little menu will pop up. Look for something that says Settings and Privacy. It's usually near the bottom of the list. Click on Settings and Privacy. This opens up more options for you to choose from. Now, from the expanded menu, just click on Settings. It's the first option there. You'll be taken to the Settings page. Among the options, you'll see something called See More in Account Center. Click on that. Now, in the Account Center, scroll down a bit more until you see Accounts. Click on Accounts. This is where you'll find all the linked accounts. Find the one you want to remove. Next to that account, you'll see an option that says Remove. Click on that. Facebook will double check with you to make sure you really want to remove the account. Confirm it. Once you're done removing accounts, just close the settings window. That's it. You've successfully removed multiple accounts from Facebook. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you can easily remove multiple accounts from Facebook, streamlining your online presence. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Until next time, happy Facebooking.